can you tell the AI generated image from the real one? If you guessed this one, you're right. What about these two images? Which one is the AI generated image? So both were actually generated there. And it's not just art that AI gets right. AI can pass the bar exam for law, as well as read, write, see, hear, understand, create, debate, and foresee. I believe we have never been so frightened by artificial intelligence as we are now, and here's why we should be. The state AI is in right now is just the tip of the iceberg. Creative outlets for human expression will be replaced. Students will be using ChatGPT for assignments if they haven't already. Automated jobs will be taken over, and human perspectives will be lost. Why will this happen? Well, let's dive into how AI works, how it generates realistic images, and how it keeps getting better.
If you haven't already, click the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. New science videos get released each week, so make sure to check them out.
AI works by learning from what the developer gives it. So picture this, you're doing a math problem 10 times over, so that when a similar problem arises, you can solve it. Now a more difficult problem arises. So you do that one maybe 30 times. And now a combination of the two problems arises and presents a unique problem. But based on prior knowledge, you can actually solve it. But not just 10 or 30 times over, but rather continuously. All AI needs is enough information of relatable content to analyze, and a similar and a unique creation will be made. It has gotten to the point where AI-generated paintings are being compared to the artworks of Pablo Picasso, Vincent van Gogh, and Michelangelo. Try telling apart an AI Picasso from the real deal. I'll leave these two up here. Leave your comment below, left or right, for which one you think is the real deal. And maybe you know enough about art to guess that last one, but this is just 2023. And can you believe that real one just sold for $139 million? While the AI generated one is free? Art is becoming more about who created it and less about the actual content within it, since incredible reproductions can be made by AI at the fraction of a cost. And if AI can do this now, what is in store for 2030? Whatever it is, it will be beautiful, cheap, but horrible for the business of art industry. And it's not just about art. Education systems will be affected and will need to change. Students are using AI currently, like ChatGPT, for everything, from literature assignments to solving math problems, whether they understand the content or not. This might mean that professional jobs are being falsely entered into, leading to a proliferation of problems relating to sham professionals and questioning the credibility of education degrees. For instance, in January of 2023, CNN broadcasted the fascinating results that ChatGPT was able to pass the law and business school exams. Although their marks were not particularly high, it does prove that AI has book smarts that can be taken advantage of, especially as it continuously improves on itself. And what about jobs? Well, brace yourself. Basic human labor jobs, the ones that involve some brain power, are on the chopping block here. Customer service, cashiering, transportation, you name it, AI can automate it. Sure, AI can create new jobs for people like AI engineers, business intelligence developers, and data scientists, but let's be real, those require advanced degrees. What about people who just lost their jobs and aren't keen on going back to school for a PhD? Tough spot, right? For those people, they might be out of options. Human touch is fading with AI. As it learns from patterns, biases sneak in if we're not careful. AI learns from repetitive learning in similar topics, but this incorporates biases if not all perspectives are incorporated. Humans have the beauty of understanding biases and incorporating perspectives of their own. If AI continues the way it is, we will need to watch out for these built-in biases in its code so that the vast social and cultural impacts are not left out. For instance, in 2014, Amazon's automated recruitment system incorporated a bias that selected applicants suitable for roles based on previous applicants' attributes. Since historically, Amazon had men-full roles for close to 3/4 of technical jobs, this automated recruitment system actually selected against women applicants. And this gender bias was not scrapped until 2017. So everyone, we're just scratching the surface of artificial intelligence these days. Buckle up because the changes are coming and they're coming fast. And hey, don't forget those AI face filters, they're just the beginning.